Hello guys, this is Amla. This is very beneficial for health. It is also called Indian gooseberries in India. The taste of Amla is very sour. One single Amla have a much vitamin C than 20 oranges. Amla are very beneficial for control diabetes, blood sugar, and always have a healthy eyes. And it is very beneficial for having a black hair always. Amla have phytonutrients and antioxidants that is helpful for increasing memory and fighting against free radicals that can attack and damage brain. And as you can see, this is Amla tea. Wow, very nice.